Hello and welcome to Quadratics chapter, where the topic will be continued for completing the square, and this is the second part of completing the square. And what we're doing here is that we're going to solve using completing the square. So in the previous section we were just completing the square and that's it, but here we actually use it to solve the equation. So let's say that we want to solve this equation by completing the square. First of all, we write down the value of a, which is 1, so we ignore it. Write x plus 8 over 2 times 1 squared plus 10 minus by 8 squared over 4 times 1 is equal to 0. And this will be x plus 4 squared minus 6 will equal to 0. Now we put the minus 6 to the other side. And then we square root both sides, so we get x plus 4 equals to plus minus square root of 6, and x equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 6, and it told us to give us in the third form, so x equals to minus 4 plus root 6, and x equals to minus 4 minus root 6. Another example, which is similar to the first one, but in here a is greater than 1. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 8, and c is 7. So first we write the value of a, so that's 2x plus b minus 8 over 2a, which is 2 times 2. Now we square this, plus the 7 minus 8 squared over 4a. So that is 2 and x negative 8 over 4 is going to be 2 and squared. And doing this on the calculator, 7 minus 8 squared over 4 times 2 is negative 1. So first of all, we put this to another side, so 2x minus 2 squared equals to 1. Then we divide the two sides by 2. That means that we get x minus 2 squared equals to a half. Then we square root both sides, and that gives us plus minus a half, and plus minus the x minus 2 squared. What happens is that x minus 2 squared equals to plus minus a half. Actually, we have no square root anymore. Actually, it should be like this. And now x equals to 2 plus minus the square root of a half. So x, so the question says to leave it in third form, so 2 plus square root of a half, and x equals to 2 minus square root of a half. Now we're going to look at some exercise questions. So first of all, we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. And our a is 2, b is 6, c is minus 3. And we do it using the quadratic formula. Not the quadratic formula, the completing the square. So 2 outside, x plus 6 over 2 times 2 squared plus negative 3 negative 6 squared all over 4 times 2 equal to 0. So that is 2x plus 6 over 4 is the same as, so 6 over 4 is the same as 3 over 2. So that is 3 over 2 squared. And working this out with calculator, minus 3 minus 36 over 8 is minus 15 over 2. Now you put these to the other side to get 15 over 2 on the other side. Now you divide both things by 2, so dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by a half, and that is 15 over 4. So 15 over 4 equals to x plus 3 over 2 squared. Now we're going to square root both, and that will give us x plus 3 over 2 equal to plus minus square root of 15 over 4. X equals to negative 3 over 2 plus minus square root of 15 over 2. So that is x equal to minus a third plus root 15 over 2, and x equals to minus 3 minus root 15 over 2. Last question of the exercise is, by completing the square, we need to show that the following can be given as a formula of x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus c. So again, we use completing the square, so that will be x plus 2b over 2 times 1 squared plus c minus b squared, so 2b squared over 4a equals to 0. So now that's x plus 2b over 2, which is b, and now here we have plus c minus 4b squared over 4 equals to 0. So x plus b squared plus c minus b squared is equal to 0. Now putting those two to the other side. Now square root both sides. This will give us x plus b equal to plus minus square root of b squared minus c, and x equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus c. And there it is, our answer which we wanted. So now you should be able to do the second part of completing the square on exercise 2D, and what we keep using is the formula, and what we're using is the formula